Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these glowing eyes with that custom makeup on Dress to Impress. But yes, you do need VIP for this, so go to the makeup section, pick any face you want and press X. I actually don't know the purpose of that, but you're going to get this like mask here. Select no feather and color it the same as your skin tone. Then you're going to select this code and you're going to select these goggles and go to the second one and select a color that you want to use for the eyes, essentially. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.